If you confuse retraction with involuntariness, you may lose marks in the bar exam. For context, this is on admissibility of confessional statement in the course Criminal Litigation. Now, let's begin with the first word, retraction. For retraction, as a good student, you must be careful to differentiate between the English meaning of retraction and the technical meaning of retraction with regards to confessional statement. Now, for the English meaning, to retract a statement simply means to withdraw, to take back a statement previously made. But that is not the case in criminal litigation for confessional statements. To retract a confessional statement simply means to deny the authorship of that statement. In other words, the defendant is simply saying, I did not make this confessional statement. This is not my handwriting. This statement was not signed by me. Now, the next is the admissibility of a retracted statement, a retracted confessional statement. Now, this is what the court will do. The court will admit the statement, but determine the weight to be attached. This means the court will be careful to convict a defendant based only on a retracted confessional statement. It does not mean the statement is not admissible. A retracted statement is admissible. Now, for the other one, involuntariness. When a confessional statement is challenged on involuntariness, it means that the statement was made by the defendant. However, the defendant was forced, coerced, pressured, physically or mentally, to make such a statement. He or she did not make that statement voluntarily. Now, where a confessional statement is challenged on the ground of involuntariness, this is what the court will do. The court will conduct a trial within trial. This means a separate mini trial to determine whether that statement was made voluntarily or not. This is the position of the law, as in Section 29 of the Evidence Act. So I'll recap the difference between a retracted statement and a statement challenged on involuntariness. Now, for retraction, the court will admit the statement, but determine the weight of evidence to be attached. While for involuntariness, the court will conduct a trial within trial to determine whether the statement was made voluntarily or not. I believe you've learned something today. Now, for the members of the public, this is why you're warned to avoid making a statement at the police station without the services of a legal practitioner, because your statement may contain confession and it is this fatal. Take note of that. Back to law school students. Our classes are still ongoing. I can't wait to meet you all there. Do well to enroll. And if you want to see me again, you know what to do.